Fiber and materials market, key facts. Natural textile fibers are divided into three types. Fibers of animal origin, obtained either through the hair or through the glandular secretion of some insects. Fibers of vegetable origin, which can be obtained from the seed, stem, leaf, or fruit. Fibers of mineral origin, obtained from rocks with a fibrous structure. Properties of the wool dictate its quality. The sustainability of this fiber relates to animal well-being. It requires little more than water, air, sun and grass for a new fleece to be produced each year. It is biodegradable, and it's also easily recycled and converted into durable products. It has a natural protective layer, which means fewer washings. Wool is resistant, stretchable and has thermal, electrical and chemical properties. Silk generates products of great quality and value, which are characterized by a natural shine, a soft and comfortable touch, good fit and good moisture absorption. In terms of sustainability, silk requires a lot of water and energy in production, but little use of land and chemicals. The byproducts of silk are used as fuel, animal feed or as fertilizers. Cotton is a fiber that provides natural comfort and a pleasant feel, and these characteristics are given by the fiber's ability to naturally absorb and lose moisture. Organic cotton is considered an alternative to reduce the environmental impact. The fibers are recyclable, but the process is difficult because of their short length after recovery. Linen's main characteristic is its versatility. If cultivated correctly, linen is a 100% sustainable fiber, because all parts of the plants are used. Its production is cheap and needs low consumption of water and nutrients. Organic linen does not use fertilizer or pesticides. Linen has a long fiber, is easy to spin and very resistant. It supports high temperatures and has a high moisture absorption rate. Linen articles, while not subjected to any kind of finishing, are totally biodegradable. Non-natural fibers are known as man-made fibers and can be divided into regenerated or synthetic. Regenerated fibers are obtained from the transformation of natural polymers, through the action of chemical agents, in extrusion processes, having cellulose as the main raw material. Synthetic fibers are normally produced chemically from petroleum precursors. Viscose is widely used in the textile industry due to its properties and ability to reproduce the characteristics of other natural fibers. It is produced from wood pulp, a natural and cellulosic raw material, which is relatively cheap, renewable and biodegradable. Although the raw material can be considered carbon neutral, the production of the fiber uses large quantities of chemicals responsible for toxic emissions that pollute the atmosphere and water. Production of lyocell has a minimal environmental and economic impact. It comes from wood pulp dissolved in a solution of amine oxide, which, after impregnation into the fibers, is recovered and 99% recycled during the almost closed production process, as well as water, which is recovered almost totally. It has other advantages such as being biodegradable, the rapid renewal of the raw material and the sustainability certification of the origin of the wood. Polyester fiber has some advantages, such as longer durability, high resistance and good elasticity. It retains the shape after washing, allowing good crease removal and fast drying, due to low moisture absorption, which represents about 0.4% of its weight in water, in standard conditions. PET is recyclable, but only a few times. However, when mixed with natural fibers, recyclability is compromised. Polyamide is a synthetic fiber and has categories 6, 6.6 and 11. All polyamide fibers are characterized by high tear and wear resistance, low moisture absorption and swelling, rapid drying, high resistance against harmful insects and rotting, and are easily recyclable. With suitable temperatures, permanent pleats and textured yarns can be produced.